Welcome, my name is Philip King. Before we begin, I would like to ask a favor from you. If you like our videos, then please click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Okay, let us begin. Did you know you could extend your website's functionality with WordPress widgets? In this video, I will answer the question, what are WordPress widgets and how do you use them? You will learn how to add and customize WordPress widgets to fit your needs, and how widgets can help your visitors engage with your site. Think of a WordPress widget as a block of content you can place in predefined widgetized areas on your website. They make it easy for you to add features and design elements to your website without needing to know how to code. For example, they can add extra content and structure to your sidebars, headers, and footers. Widgets enable you to add specific features to your website. They can be added to almost any area of your site. While widget areas typically occur in web page sidebars, headers, and footers, a WordPress theme or plugin can place widget areas anywhere on a page. Widgets are not needed for WordPress to function properly. Widgets are not plugins, but some plugins contain widgets. By default, WordPress comes with a number of different widgets. These include the following. Pause the video if you want to examine them more closely. Your theme and plugins may also add their own widgets to this list. If WordPress or your theme does not have the widget you need, there is a good probability that a plugin can provide the feature required. Widgets are easy to use, you do not need to know or write any HTML code to set them up. To add a widget to a post or page, just drag and drop the widget to the widgetized area of the post or page. The placement of these areas may be different depending on the theme. What is a widgetized area? A widget or widgetized area is a predefined location in the code of your WordPress theme. You can place widgets into these areas. Typical widgetized areas include headers, footers, and sidebars. Your theme may provide more widgetized areas than this. While widget areas typically occur in web page sidebars, headers, and footers, a theme can place widget areas anywhere on a page. Do you want to place a widget where no predefined widgetized area exists? In such cases, there is probably a plugin that can create the widgetized area for you. Just search the WordPress plugin library. Displaying widgets. Before you can add a widget, you must verify that your WordPress theme supports the widget areas required. You can do so from the dashboard menu system. Dashboard appearance widgets. Widgets versus plugins. Most people, myself included, are initially confused when confronted with widgets and plugins. They appear to be the same. A WordPress plugin usually introduces additional global functionality to your website that is not available by default. A WordPress widget lets you display additional content within elements of your website, header, sidebar, and footer. Plugins have to be installed, activated, and configured. Widgets are dragged and dropped into place and provide smaller, more focused additions to your site. Even though widgets and plugins appear to carry out similar functions, they have different roles to fulfill. Widgets were originally designed to provide a simple and easy way of adding design and structure to a WordPress theme. How many widgets can a site have? Is there a limit to the number of widgets a site can have? In short, there is no real limit to the quantity of widgets you can use on your site. However, I recommend you use widgets sparingly. Too many widgets are a distraction and take your visitors' attention away from the main content on your website. What are WordPress widgets? Final thoughts? Lastly, a little warning. Any widgets integrated into your themes or plugins may be lost if you switch your theme or deactivate a plugin. So, if you change your site's theme or stop using a plugin and notice certain widgets disappear, now you know why. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, then please click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. You should also check out the King Solutions website, the links are below the video. See you soon, and thanks again for taking the time to view this video.